gonna learn the puzzle animals. We got wild and cute little furry ones that we can find in the farm.
I dog.
Aww. Fatty, you go first.
Okay. As you drive,
Yay, that's the elephant. Here, we got a horse. Where does the horse go?
I found.
Here it is. There's a horse.
Elephant's down. Yes, I do.
Your turn. So what is this animal?
Elephant, where does this go?
Giraffe. Where? There it is.
Wow.
Where should I go now? I'll pick this. This. No. This. Yes, that. That's a deer. But it's your turn.
Pick this would be.
But what is that?
It's a ferret.
No, it's a bear.
Wow.
So scary.
It's have angry eyes.
Yeah. Well, it's my turn, so what I should put? Now, what should I pick? Mini, money, pick. I got the sheep.
Yeah.
Where should I put it? Here, there it is.
Yeah, now my turn.
What are you gonna pick?
I picked this one.
Roar, what's that?
What?
What's that?
It's a tiger.
No, it's a lion.
Yeah, it's my lion. Give me it. It's good. It's like a baby. Well, it's same tails. And it can fit. Yes.
Now what should I do?
We have 3. What do you have?
I don't know. Well, what
You
should
have-
I do?
Ready, go!
Now what should I do? I'm gonna do this cute rabbit. This is a rabbit. It's so cute and adorable. I'm gonna put it. No, too big. No, too big. No, too big. No, can't fit. No. Here it is.
I see it.
Wow, my bunny.
I see yours. It's going to in here.
baby.
Know what I pick? I pick a mountain. I pick a mountain.
Monkey. Oh, I'm a monkey. Oh,
It's jumping again.
Okay. Now, what I'm gonna do? What is this? This is an ox. If there's too much oxes, there's an oxen. What's a plural? What?
What in the world?
Come on, Fred, just choose.
I pick except some pink. Some pink.
Yeah, I colored it when I'm small. Come on, Freddy, just, where is it?
I found it.
Where is that? What's that, Freddy?
A kangaroo.
Yeah, it's a kangaroo.
It's jump also.
Okay, now what should I do? I'm gonna do this cow. Moo. Now,
A tiger, guys.
tiger. Now, where should you put it?
Tiger. It's too big.
Oh, what crazy rascals! Now I'm gonna do a camel.
Yeah.
Ooh. Put it there. Camel, that says right there in the pink sign. What are you gonna do?
I tell you.
But it says here it's a tortoise.
Yeah. It's going.
Come on, go faster, Tyro.
No, dear. Just go slow.
Come on!
It's go slow mode. Just go slow mode.
Come on, turtle. Can you just get up?
So
Reggie! What are you doing?
So the go slow.
Okay, just slopping. Now I'm gonna do the water buffalo. The water buffalo. Where does it go? Blue, blue, blue. No, 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 no. Yes. Your turn.
Mine is a fox.
It's a fox. Good. And a female fox is a vixen.
Let's go. Let's go. It's going fast.
There we go. What should I do? Here, this is a donkey.
Donkey.
I don't know what the song of a dong sound.
Oh, what's this one?
That it's a wolf.
Yeah. What do you?
Wait, what's that? It's a wolf. Ooh, where did it go, Fatty?
Yeah. What sound did you make?
I don't know.
Me too.
Ooh, I don't know.
It's green.
Whoa! Now, what should I do? Here, this is a goat. A goat, this is a goat. Now where? Fatty.
Then what this one is?
A gorilla.
Yeah. It's eating some banana.
Not a banana. Not a banana, just put it. Where does it go, Fatty?
It's going fast.
Whoa. Now, which one? Mini, mouse, bow. I picked a cat, is like everyone knows. Do you have a cat pet or a dog pet? I bet you have a dog. Because cats are annoying. Here, there's one there.
Now what this one is?
What's that? Hyena. Hyena.
Hyena. What sounds will make?
I don't know. Just put it. I don't know what that sounds. And last little contestant is the fluffy dog. I bet you have a dog rather than a cat, or maybe a fish, or a bird.
It's finished.
So now we're gonna review the names of all of the animals. Here we have an elephant.
Yeah, an elephant is an elephant. And what this?
This,
A giraffe.
it's a kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
This is a wolf.
A wolf.
This is a giraffe.
A giraffe.
This is a gorilla.
A giraffe.
This is a hyena.
Hyena.
This is a monkey.
A monkey.
This is a fox.
A fox.
This is a tortoise.
A tortoise.
This is a...
Bear.
It's not a bear. It's a bear.
Yeah. Yeah, keeper's bear.
This is a lion.
Lion. Whoa.
This is a tiger.
Take a look.
Really? This is a horse. This is a cow.
A cow.
This is a camel.
A camel.
This is a donkey.
A donkey.
This is a deer.
A deer.
This is a sheep.
A sheep.
This is a dog.
A dog.
This is a cat.
Cat.
This is a what? This is a goat.
A goat.
This is a ox.
Ox.
This is a rabbit.
A rabbit. Good rabbit.
This is a water buffalo.
What buffalo?
Do you know what that is?
What's that?
I hope you learned something today and continue watching with us. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like it, and smash that like button and hit the notification bell. And if you want some more videos, just write Zena and Fatty TV. And what you say?
God bless you.
Goodbye.